Hello, welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe if you haven't. You can like but also hit the notification bell and keep getting notified in case of any new video we upload to this channel. I'm by the name is called Michael Mukaira. I'm an architect by profession, consultant, but also lecturer. At Real Property Guidance, today we bring you the metal carports. For unmatched durability and protection, try metal carports. What is a carport? A carport is basically a covered structure used to offer limited protection to vehicles. These primarily are usually the cars, and you want to protect them from the sun, the rain, or even snow. These structures can either be freestanding or even attached to the house, or even the wall of the house. And there are several and various types and categories of carports and garages, as outdoor sheds and shelters, or even sheds. Let's look at some of the forms. Home extensions and additions, or additions. Then we look at attached the house kind of carports. Have the carport attached to the main house. Open-sided carports. Corrugated or metal carports, usually in gable-shaped kind of roof and form. Interesting carport out there. Types of carport designs. We have the gable roof carport designs. We have the entire roof in gable form. Over the frame, this is a steel framing. Then we also have the framish gable carports, almost similar to the previous, only that now the front has a difference in the roof. Then we do have flat roof carports, basically with a flat roof here. Do-it-yourself or customized carports. This could be hipped, it could be flat, it can take on any form. Timber frame carports. Here what is key is that you're using timber. Aluminium carports. Again here the framing is basically aluminium. And these kind of carports are usually common with contemporary and modern house style designs. Please note that now these carport designs can take on either the previous category or form of carport designs we've been talking about. Other carport designs. Why opt for metal carport designs? Metal carport designs save money by protecting your vehicle assets. They are going to enhance the value of your property. Okay? They provide extra storage space. Who doesn't need that? Provide cover when you want to work on your vehicle within the shed. They are the most economical compared to other categories. They can easily be installed. They are maintenance free. And they can also be easily extended whenever necessary. In case you had a carport for 2 and you want to make it for 3, that can easily be done. But most importantly, there is this unmatched durability and longevity associated with metal carport designs. Once again, I remain Mike Mukaira. real estate plus architecture plus land management. Education and guidance is what we do most. Please do subscribe, like, and also hit the notification bell and keep getting notified every single time we release a new video to this channel. Please leave your comments below, but you can also connect and follow us through other social media platforms through the links in the description below. We do have architecture designs and construction guidance. It's a Facebook page. There's real property guidance, RPG, WhatsApp group. We do have Instagram, Twitter, and more. You could also check our previous video, which was outdoor sheds. You can also check it through the description. You will find a link in there. Otherwise, keep on the lookout for our next video. We pray once again, thank you.